Hi everyone. As part of meditation, you need to have uh, the physical body maintenance. That the pre-prepared physical body need to be maintained. So for that, we need to have a vegetarian diet. So here is one sample diet where you can reduce 2 to 6 kg of weight in 7 days. So I'll explain you each day diet, what are the things you need to have for each day, and you can see an amazing result. This has been, I mean, like I have been tried, but it's very difficult. Uh, I mean, like by end of the day, you feel very hungry, but still you need to. I mean, like if you have the goal of having 7 days, you need to lose the weight. So you please follow this. You'll see an amazing result. So the day one. So the diet is divided into 7 days with different rules that applies for each day. Recommend to drink lot of waters need to be drink, that is from 8 to 12 glass of water each day to stay hydrated. And the diet, so I mean like when you do the diet, so please avoid exercise because so uh, you will be very much I mean like you are taking the vegetables and fruits, so that it should not uh, I mean feel tired if you do the exercise. So for till this diet, I recommend don't do the exercise for 7 days. So the day one, so first day you only eat the fruit. There is no limit. As much as fruit you can eat. So every half an hour try to eat one type of fruit except banana, where it provides you the more protein. So that again it won't allow you for uh, the diet this one plan. So eat as much as possible the fruits, only the fruits except banana, and also try to drink lot of water, maybe like 8 to 12 glass of water. And those who are having, I mean, low bp or something, just have bit of salt because you'll be dehydrated and the salt content in your body will be very less. So have bit salt, or like you can have a one I mean hajmola. So totally like per day 3 hajmolas you can have it. So instead of salt also you can hajmolas also can be preferred. So you can have hajmola, and that is day one. And day two, you need to eat only vegetables, can be raw or cooked form. So don't cook very long time so that it becomes very soft. So at least cook only the half cooked is fine. And also it prefers only vegetable except potatoes, don't eat potatoes. And drink 8 to 12 glass of water. And yeah, as I told you, in the same day one diet, have a little bit of salt or hajmula, you can have it. And day 3, eat fruits and vegetables. So the combination of day 1 and day 2, the day 3 should be the the combination of day 1 and day 2, that is fruits and vegetables except banana and potatoes. So there is no limit, as much as you want you can eat whenever you feel like. I prefer like every half an hour you eat at least 250 or 100 grams of fruits or vegetables, you can have it. And don't forget to drink 8 to 12 glass of water, and a salt, little bit of salt. Whenever you eat, have little bit of salt so that you won't be dehydrated, or the salt content in your body will not be down. So just have it. And day 4, consume only bananas and milk. You can have eat up to 6 to 8 bananas on that day, and drink milk, preferably skimmed milk is good for the diet. And don't forget to drink 8 to 12 glass of water, and a little bit of salt when you are eating when you are consuming bananas. So you have little bit of salt, I mean like, or else give some gap, because here milk and salt that doesn't work out. So after eating banana or having milk, give 5 to 10 minutes of gap and have little bit of salt, so that it won't dehydrate your body. And day fifth, have 6 full tomatoes. The bigger one tomatoes, have full tomatoes, and 1 cup of brown rice. the whole day you need to have 1 cup of brown rice. And I mean, like brown rice itself around 250 grams of rice. So that is a one full rice. In that you can divide it to three parts or two and eat it. And 12 to, I mean, 8 to 12 glass of water is minimum you need to drink. And little bit of salt, as I told you, you need to add with the uh, rice. And day 6, 1 cup of brown rice and cooked or uncooked vegetables for your choice without oil. And you can, I mean, like potatoes should be avoided as mentioned, so you should not eat potatoes. In vegetables, you should not eat potatoes. And brown rice, you can have the brown rice and 8 to 12 glass of water. It's minimum, like you need to have 8 to 12 glass of water and little bit of salt in between, it should be added. And the last day, it's the combination of again fruits, vegetables and rice. So you need to have only brown rice, fruits and vegetables. There is no limit for fruits and vegetables. You can have as much of fruits. And also rice, you can increase bit the rice quantity and have that rice on the seventh day. And 8 to 12 glass of water, it's a minimum you need to have 8 to 12 glass of water and little bit salt in between. So this 7 days diet will definitely reduce 2 to 6 kg of your weight. Just try this and see, but it's very difficult, to be honest. Like I tried and it was very difficult for me. But I was eating little bit of poha at the end of the day and the night. But even yes, I reduced like 2 kg in 1 7 days. So, yes, friends, try this, and this is very important for your uh, preparedness of your body for meditation. Thank you.